In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management to save your YouTube videos effectively. Trello is a fantastic tool not only for tracking and organizing your projects, but also for storing essential resources like YouTube videos. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to Trello's website. Simply type trello.com into your web browser and you'll be taken to Trello's homepage. If you're not already logged in, don't worry. Just look for the login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in using either your email or you can conveniently log in using your Google account. Whatever works best for you. Once logged in, you'll want to head to your boards. You can find this option in the main navigation menu. It's an area where you can see all of your created boards. Now it's time to focus on your specific workspaces. In the workspaces section, you should be able to spot the board you're intending to use. Click on the board to enter it. This is where you'll be managing your YouTube videos. Within your selected board, you'll notice various cards. Locate the card where you'd like to save your YouTube video and click on it to open it up. Now here's the moment you've been waiting for. You can easily add your YouTube video by simply pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard if you've already copied the URL from YouTube. This action will paste and immediately attempt to upload the video's link to your card. However, if you prefer a more manual approach, there's another option as well. Within the card, look for a button labelled Attachment. Click on this option. It'll allow you to paste the URL of the YouTube video directly. Once you've pasted the URL there, look for an Insert button. Don't shy away from it, go ahead and click it to finalize the attachment of your video. And there you have it, your YouTube video is now saved in your Trello card, making it accessible whenever you're working on this project. By organizing your videos in Trello, you ensure that they're just a few clicks away when you need them most, and they're neatly integrated into your workflow. Be sure to explore projects with drag and drop efficiency and other features Trello offers to keep improving your management style. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully this guide helps you keep your project management not only more organized, but also a bit more fun. Keep practicing these steps and you'll master Trello in no time. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.